channel and welcome to a brand new video. Thank you all so much for being here and for watching. Today I am going to clean and decorate my living room, which I am so excited about. I'm actually going to be installing a shelf and then we'll have the opportunity to style the shelves together. So I'm super happy that you're here. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Alondra and I post weekly videos related to home decor, renovations, cooking, cleaning, and things of that sort. So if you're into those type of videos, then don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I did mention in my last video that when I reach 500 subscribers, I am going to do a big giveaway for you all. So definitely subscribe and like this video. Now let's go ahead and get started.
Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do. There's no mountain I won't climb to be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air, and every day, every way, I feel like
when I started planning out what I wanted to put above the couch, I was really envisioning more of a floating shelf, because I love how they look and they're very simple, and I don't really like the idea of brackets if I can not have them. So I went ahead with this shelf. It's the Moslanda shelf by IKEA and it's only about $15 I believe, so I'll link it down below for you all. But the hardest part about this shelf was actually just finding it, because it was out of stock in every IKEA nearby. And this was way before quarantine. I've had this shelf for about 2 to 3 months now. So I'm very excited, as you can see, very excited to be putting it up. So it was very easy to install it, and it came with some additional stickers where you can cover the screws, which you'll see eventually. But this was super easy to put up, and it also comes with instructions. If you do DIY projects or install anything at home, even if it's frames, I really encourage you to get a level. It's saved me so many times. I use it for really anything, and it's very handy around the house.
let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go.
These are the stickers I was talking about a few minutes ago, and look at just the big difference that it makes. Alright, so I went ahead and put the shelf up, and then now I'm just going to prep some of the frames. So I got this frame at IKEA, and I have actually a lot of these in different sizes. And then I got this You Feel Like Sunshine frame from Target. And then I've had this little vase from Target. This is also from Target, I believe. And then I went ahead and ordered a print that I made through Canvas. So I'm going to put this, and it says Be You, and I'm just going to put it in here. In terms of the frame that I am using, I am actually using the Hovsta frame from IKEA as well, so I'll link that down below for you all. They comes in different sizes and also different colors, but I absolutely love the finish of this specific frame. And then in terms of the print that I'm putting in the frame, I actually created it using Canva. I know earlier I said Canvas, but it's actually Canva, and you just design your own print or whatever it is, or even a picture, and instead of just simply downloading it, and it's a free platform, instead of simply downloading it, you send it to print and then they'll mail it to you, and it only cost me $6, and I'm super happy with it.
Nothing to prove, nothing to prove. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get loud and come on, lose control. Got to live, or we get to.
I'm so sorry about the glare you're about to experience, but when styling the shelves, I really wanted to go for different heights, and I also wanted to use some type of greenery, so I went ahead and got this cute little pot holder, and I absolutely love how everything looks. I didn't want to clutter it too much, even though you could definitely stack frames on this shelf, and it takes on the weight as well. And then now I'm just cleaning up my mess before I rearrange the couch.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down, close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you.
Moving on to these other shelves in our living room, I really just wanted to freshen up this whole space because, as you can see, it is a very cluttered. I keep everything here, so I really need to stop doing that, but I just wanted to move things around and kind of just update all of this space. I really wish I could go to like Target and Home Goods and just buy some little things that make a big difference for my entire house and just redecorate, but I obviously can't do that, so I just had to do with what I had, and part of that was just moving things around and also using this board here to kind of just change the wording to something new because it said Home Sweet Home since I bought it, and I put those letters there, but you'll see that I changed it to something else. And what I changed it to, actually, the idea came from an Instagram post that I saw, and also I just keep telling Alvaro, my partner, that I really miss going to Target and Home Goods and just going out and just window shopping and shopping in general. So I ended up going with, I wonder if Target misses me too, because I really do wonder if it misses me. So I thought it was super cute, and so I went with this, and I don't know, it just made all the difference. And I'll move my decorations around and you'll see how that ends up, but I always try to focus on having some type of greenery, some type of picture frame or frame in general, some books, maybe a candle here and there, and just different colors that pop very and match very well with the rest of the colors, especially with the couch pillows and the new shelf above the couch.
'Cause I need your fire. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your Phoenix tonight. Come on and rise.
Alright, so I am going to just clean out this box right here first because it gets obviously you can see that we have just very random things in here. I think this is like our catch-all drawer kind of thing situation going on, so I'm just going to clean this out. I really wish I could go to Target right now and just buy a few little decoration things from the dollar section and or the clearance section, but obviously I can't go to Target because we are on lockdown. So I kind of just made do with what I have. So I just went around my house, and I did go through my garage too and just find little things that I had put away from when I last decorated. So I took out some things and I just kind of reorganized. So let's go ahead and just see what comes out of all of this, and hopefully this will look somewhat new or different. was also really feeling my outfit in this video because I ordered some new clothes. I love athletic wear, so I went ahead and got these leggings from Fabletics. I'll leave my link down below in case you're interested. It's like 2 leggings for $24 or something like that. And then this top is so cute and comfortable. I got it from Old Navy. And then the sports bra is also the cutest. It has like little polka dots that are black and white, and it is a pink sports bra. So I'll link that down below as well from Old Navy in case you are interested. But let me know down in the comments as well if you know of any athletic wear brand that has very affordable clothes, because I would love to check them out. So as you can see on the top, I already kind of organized. I don't know if it's going to stay like that, but right here I always have this little basket here because it's like our catch-all drawer. But here I am putting my planner. It's like Making Moves planner plus a candle, and I decided to put that there because right now that I'm not leaving my house, I don't need to put it in a purse, right, or have it at my office. But right now I find that I'm not using it as much because obviously we're on lockdown, so I feel like if I put it here, I will grab it a lot more often because I do spend a lot of time in my living room, and that way I can intentionally use it. And it's also just a reminder to continue to make moves. So I'm putting that there with a candle. I want to put this little guy here, somewhere here, but the only thing with this plant is that when I bought it, it was very tiny little leaves, like maybe just like the top portion, but it was all over, like it was coming out all over. And then now it's just these 2 big ones, so she's more than alive, but it's just 2 little strands, so I feel like she looks a little sad. I'm trying to be a plant mom.
Take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive.
So these, this frame here, I've had it for maybe like 8 years. Like these flowers are like 8 years old. So I let some flowers dry out for a long time, and then I placed them in this frame when I went away to college because my partner got me these flowers, so I keep them. Like I mentioned before, I would have loved to decorate my house and especially the living room with some new decor, but obviously with the quarantine that is not possible right now because I truly believe that with in-person shopping comes the best deals. So I am just waiting for that moment, but I'm so happy that I was able to move things around. As you can see, the shelf behind me, it made all the difference, and it just makes the wall feel a lot better to me, like just aesthetically pleasing because it's not just all empty. At first I thought it was a little bit too high, but it's actually a perfect size for my partner and I because my partner for some reason likes to toss pillows sometimes. So I think this is going to work just perfectly. I really hope that you enjoyed this, and it encourages you to just move things around your house as much as you can if you are looking to kind of freshen up your spaces. And just a reminder that when I reach the 500 subscriber mark, I will have a giveaway for you all that I'm super excited about. So with that being said, I will see you at the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Bye.